Welcome to our portable washing machines showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular options, the Lungostar portable washing machine and the GZJ portable washing machine. We'll dive into their specifications, features, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Lungostar offers a significant advantage with its 18 pounds washing capacity and 10 pounds spinning capacity, making it ideal for larger loads. In contrast, the GZJ is designed for smaller items with a capacity of just 15 liters, which may limit its usability for heavier laundry tasks. In terms of size and weight, the Lungostar is considerably bulkier and heavier at 38 pounds, which may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with limited space. On the other hand, the GZJ is incredibly lightweight at just 3.6 pounds and features a foldable design, making it easy to transport and store, perfect for those who travel or live in small apartments. The Lungostar comes equipped with advanced features like a built-in drain pump, separate washing and spinning cycles, and multiple wash settings, making it versatile for various laundry needs. In contrast, the GZJ offers simpler functionality with 3 wash modes, but lacks the advanced features of the Lungostar, which may be a drawback for some users. In conclusion, the choice between the Lungostar and GZJ portable washing machines ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you require a machine for larger loads and appreciate advanced features, the Lungostar is the better option despite its higher price. However, if you're looking for a compact, budget-friendly solution for occasional use, the GZJ may be the right fit for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.